Mars Kid Teens!
T.I. Ted is coming. Mom said our whole family will clean the house together today to welcome Ted.
Clean the house? What is that? Can we play while doing it?
Cleaning the house means we wipe and arrange everything neatly so our home looks beautiful for Ted. And after that, Mom will give us lucky money.
Now, please help Mom clean the cupboard. And T, help Mom sweep the floor, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I just need to sweep like that, right, Mom?
Yes.
Sister Na, the bucket is leaking. Water is spilling onto the floor.
Ha! It's okay. I'll clean it up for you.
Grandma, we had so much fun cleaning the house today, but we won't be finished until tomorrow.
You kids have worked so hard already.